Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your phone number in your FlyBuys account. So to do so, first of all, you need to be signed into your FlyBuys account, and then just go to My Profile over here, right beside account. So just tap on it, and now you can see the profile details over here. Your phone number is right here. So to edit it, just tap on edit detail. Scroll a bit down and then you can see contact number and your phone number. Just change it to any number that you want, and after you've done so, just tap on update over here. And after you tap on update, your phone number will be changed. So guys, that's how you change your phone number in your FlyBuys account. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.